Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about Pix USA. This is a website where you can buy plants, it seems. I'm not sure if this is real or is it plastic, but basically, this is a place where you buy plants for your house, right? They have a couple of options here, and this is what the UI look like. If you can check out here and see here. And it looks like a pretty standard store here, it seems, and there's a lot of options you have here with this. Pretty standard. Everything's pretty standard. There's a sign in option here as well. This is a pretty run of the mill website, but I have heard that this particular website is a scam. Like when you buy something, it'll just disappear. Like it just won't ship. But I'm not sure the validity of this claim. But I do also want to say that you don't have to buy plants particularly from this website. For example, if you buy plants from Amazon, there's a customer guarantee system at place. If you get scammed or if the product won't get shipped, then your money will be refunded to you. But if you buy something from a random website just like this, it's safe. It's like flipping a coin. Sometimes the plants or whatever product you're buying can actually come and you can get your money's worth. Or sometimes they can just run away with the money. And this doesn't particularly apply to only this website, it applies for every website. So do consider and do your research first before buying from this website, Pix USA, or any online website for that matter.